Elgato sent me the Wave Arm low profile to test out. What's in the box? We got this manual. It tells you how to attach your microphone, how to put it on your desk, and how to actually use the arm. This part is to attach to your table, so you can unscrew this part, and then you can put your table in between here and put the mic arm in it. And this is the mic arm. So this part you can put in the other one. Ooh, it's upside down. But yeah, this fits in here. So it actually attaches to your table. And then here we have a little bag, which includes one screw thread for 2 different threads of microphones, a tool to actually screw it tighter, and another screw. This is actually for other kind of mics, it seems like. I've never had mics that fit on these kind of screws, but apparently you can have 4 types of screws. So as you might see on the arm itself, we've got this here, which you can tighten and loosen things up with. But there's also, like for example here, you can tighten and loosen it with the tool. So you can use the tool in here and tighten and loosen it. Recommend using the tool like this because you got more power if you're doing it sideways. You can just screw these on top for the right microphone. A thing that we need to note as well is on top here, you can remove these. These are magnetic. This is just so you can put the cables through it for proper cable management, right? So yeah, you can just have them go through the arm itself. Woo, wiggly arm!